In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste multiple cells in Microsoft Excel. Open Microsoft Excel on your desktop, then open the workbook you want to use. Once the sheet is visible, click cell A1 so the cursor is placed at the top left of the data. Now click and hold on A1, then drag down and across until you reach cell D3. This highlights a full block from A1 through D3, covering the header row and the first two products. Release the mouse, and that range stays selected in blue. With the block still highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. You'll see a dashed green border appear around the selection. That border confirms the cells have been copied to the clipboard. Next, click cell F1 in the same row. This sets the top left corner for the pasted copy. Press Ctrl+V, and Excel pastes the full 3-row by 4-column block starting at F1. The layout matches the original range exactly. Now press Escape to clear the clipboard indicator, then click anywhere on the sheet to remove the selection. Click cell A2 to select the first product name. Hold down Ctrl on the keyboard and click cell A4. Both A2 and A4 are now selected together, even though they are not next to each other. Keep holding Ctrl, then click A6. At this point, A2, A4, and A6 are all highlighted as separate selections on the same sheet. Press Ctrl+C to copy them. This time, the marching ants appear around each selected cell individually, showing that Excel is treating them as multiple separate selections. Click cell F8 to choose where the paste will begin, then press Ctrl+V. Excel pastes those 3 product names into a continuous vertical list, starting at F8, so they appear in F8, F9, and F10. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. One important detail here is that this kind of non-contiguous copy only works when the selected cells are from the same columns, like this example, or from the same rows. If you mix positions from different columns and rows, such as A2 and B5, Excel shows the message, "This action won't work on multiple selections," and it blocks the copy. When you're done, your sheet still has the original 5 product rows in columns A through D, the copied header plus 2 products in F1 through I3, and the 3 copied product names stacked in F8 through F10.